we've said that good deductive arguments are truth-preserving. That means if the premises are true, then the conclusion must be true. Good inductive arguments, however, are not necessarily truth-preserving. A strong inductive argument could have true premises, but a false conclusion. Does that mean when arguing, we should all go for deductive arguments and avoid inductive ones? Let's take a closer look at these two types of arguments before answering this question. These are the deductive arguments we've analyzed just now. Examine them one more time and you'll find that the content of the thesis of each argument is already contained in its premises, or at least implicitly in the premises. When your mom says parents should decide if a child could do anything to her body, the content of the thesis, that's you having the cosmetic eye surgery, is already contained in this part of the premise. Do anything to her body. Doing anything to one's body include doing something to the eyes. What your mom does is just making the hidden information apparent. When we say all men are mortal, all men include Barack Obama already. We just make this implicit information explicit. And when at 9:05 in the evening, you and your friend consider either going to McDonald's or the school cafeteria for dinner, and your friend says the school cafeteria closes at 9 o'clock, the thesis going to McDonald's is self-evident. So you see, with deductive arguments, we don't arrive at new information. We're merely uncovering the information which was hidden or unrecognized previously. And to uncover hidden information, we need to at least have that information hidden somewhere. What if there's no information at all and we need to create some knowledge? What if our case is whether an alien, say Avatar, is mortal? Could we say all aliens are mortal, so Avatar is mortal? This is unknown information. We don't have that knowledge yet. In this case, we need inductive arguments. So if we want to know if all aliens are mortal, we could observe a number of aliens and reach a probable conclusion that they are also mortal. Or if we have a sample of Avatar, we could analyze its body and its living conditions and reach a likely conclusion that it is also mortal. In either case, we are doing inductive arguments. Inductive arguments are good tools to expand our knowledge about the unknown world, because in inductive arguments, the content of the thesis goes beyond that of the premises. Your thesis of having a surgery goes beyond your premise, beauty, and confidence. The next US president is not included in the group of most US presidents. And going to the school cafeteria for dinner is a very different message from your premise that you don't feel like eating burgers today. So coming back to the question, should we all go for deductive arguments and avoid inductive arguments? The answer is definitely no. Every day we're faced with all sorts of problems that need to be solved. Some are hidden information, some are new worlds. Therefore, we need both deductive and inductive arguments in our daily lives, and more importantly, in writing.